Topper, will you show me how to jump? No? Please? Come on, show me how you jump. Okay, show me again. Yeah. Jump. Show me that busted lip. You dirty. Hey, Topper, will you show me where your elbow is? That's right. Where's your knee? No, that's your toes. Hey, where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Where's your ears? Your hair? Hair. Hair. Where's your fire truck? Yeah.